This is Praveen Monga, a realtor from Home Life Miracle. Here I am presenting you another great listing in Milton. It's 864 Laurier Avenue. I'm going to tell you more about my listing. Come. If you are in the market either as a first-time home buyer or an investor, this is the listing you should consider. Why? Today when we talk about the lot size, 20 feet, 19 feet, no. Come to this house, 40 by 120. Again, 40 feet by 120. Corner lot, T-junction. You don't get these listings many often these days in the market. I want you to come next weekend to the open house to see me, and I'm going to talk more about this listing. 3 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, fully upgrade, and there is lot. When you're going to come, you will love seeing this listing. Looking forward to see you guys over the weekend. Waiting for you. Bye-bye.